Welcome to the weekly Forex forecast, the video you've been waiting for the whole week. We're going to go through entries, targets, stop losses, and the risks that I see for this next week. So, let's get to it. You guys want me to take off the ads? Then I would love you to watch until the end for the YouTube algorithm. Trading Forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Whatever has happened in the past doesn't need to happen in the future. So don't risk your grandma's pension. Did the market agree with my last week's analysis? No, it didn't. So let's make a new one. We are looking into seasonality. Aussie, Euro, Pound, New Zealand, Canadian, all are pointing upwards in April, so we're going to look for upward momentum this coming week. Let's see if we get it. For Australian dollar, US dollar, we have a reversal. Great. We then can wait and expect and hope for price to come back to 76, but from there it is almighty higher. We are thinking of 78. That would be a great deal, but there is a lot of things that happens before that. We need to have a higher high, higher low situation, and we already have a higher high here. So if you're already in here, then you are golden. Now, if we are looking for stop losses down below 77.50, and we are all good, then now what are we doing next? What is the risks? Can this turn lower? Yes, we have 77. Can turn this lower, so be aware of that. The other thing I need to be aware of, other market events that might send this one down. What could it be? NFP is this week, so be prepared. Don't risk money count to lose, and break even by Thursday or take profit and let NFP be by itself. Okay, great, we're good. For the euro, you can see some prices here. I don't want price to be below 17.55, and I want a higher high at around 18.50, come back down to the buy price of 1800, and we're going higher. Okay, great. I'm thinking 120, 1964, something in between. Okay, let's go there. Where's the stop loss? Down below 1750. And for me, myself, personally, and only my opinions, that is what I'm gonna do. So probably potentially at the bottom here, but if you're going above 1824, that is considered to be bullish. So I will take it from there. Okay, great, fantastic. Are you one of those that gave me a comment and a like last week? Thank you very much, and let's smash this week as well. Boom. Poundy, we are seeing a double bottom. I hope to have a price down here again once more, because that is what I normally want to see. And then I want price to go up to 1950, 39.50. Woo! Up here, that would be great. If price goes down below 36.64, I'm no longer interested. But if it comes down to 37.50, 37.30, like down here, like this area here, golden. So what we want? Dollar bearishness, so let's go to dollar. Okay, I want price to break down below 92.70, come back to 92.60, and then short it down to 91.50, 60 area. And we are looking for pound strength in April, so great. Pound yen. Oh, this one is high, but we want, price to come back lower. So we have price down to 1550 and 1500. That would be great. Both of them would be great. Great. Fantastic. Profit around 152, 153. Stop losses below 148. 63, pretty far away, but have minimally 50 pip stop loss. And always have a stop loss, please, for the love of God, and your trading account. New Zealand dollar, we have somehow a reversal. I want this one to go higher, and then I want us to go to 72, and currently around 70. If it breaks below 69.40, I am no longer interested, but let's go further. So, stop loss below 69.50. I want price to go a bit higher, come back at around 70, and then every single day I am buying up to this price. And then if we go up to 72 by Friday, I'm out. Okay? Be out, buy NFP, or have some contingency plan. If everything goes wrong, you at least not lose money. That is your number one goal. Okay? Great. Are you into the COT report? We have dollar unchanged. We have Australia, a bit more to the short side, but fairly unchanged. We have euro, shorts taking profit. Woohoo! We have the COT for British pound, which is turning short-wise. We have Japanese yen that has tons of new shorts coming in. Large change, I must say. We have turned around the Japanese yen in 3 weeks. We have New Zealand, pretty normal, nothing more than average. Gold shorts coming in 12,000, long coming in 6,000. Still short side, but there is promises for buyers, but we are still not there. Silver, more shorts coming in again, and crude oil, more shorts and buys coming in. So fairly stagnant. Okay, great, fantastic. How do you then become a successful Forex trader? You start with planning. You start with having a plan based upon what? Research should you do, bank reviews, seasonality, technical analysis is the last thing you do. It's just to confirm. Do you know how to drive a car? Do you start by driving? Driving test, is that what you start with? Because if you just start with Forex without practicing or learning or researching, you just start in the car without driving license, without driving practice, without knowledge. Start with knowledge, then you test out. For USD CAD, we're thinking down to 124.50. Needs to break this current level here of 125.50, but if it does, that would be great. Doesn't rain in the window. I'm just wondering if someone was knocking. Next thing is stop losses. Price should not go above 26.24. But of course, we're not engaged yet. Need to break, and we need to be waiting. Then, what else do we need to do? So we are dollar bearish. We are pound, Aussie, Euro, New Zealand, Canadian bullish. Great. Australian dollar yen, another one that has reversed, but no pullback as of say. So if we get pullback back down to 83, God, thank you, and we go up to 85. If we don't get a pullback here, don't worry. I think there will be something, but I don't know what something will be. I don't know if price 83 will come, but any pullback would be appreciated. Right now, it is quite a resistance, so we hope they will take it a bit down at least. CAD yen, don't really care. Euro yen, same thing. I want price to come back to 128.90, 129 area, like down here. That would be great. Up to 130.40, 50. But yeah, something like that. And stop losses below here. Everything's the same every week, bro. I'm sorry. Maybe it's too random, no, too everything the same week. But this thing is consistent. Maybe this is too much of the same thing every single week, but this is consistency. Pound yen, we're going higher. This is very high at the moment. So if it doesn't go lower, I don't really care because I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to go into something I shouldn't go into. So be yourself also here. Don't bend your rules just because it did something. So if it falls down there and it comes down there and you're like, I'm buying up here, high, and you should have waited, then you are the fool, not me, because I'm waiting. Price up to 152.80. Then we're golden. Booyah. New Zealand yen, We're going up to 78.63. We are minimally having 76 as support. Then we don't want price to go lower than 75.50, give or take. That would be great. That would be great. And what else? Yeah, don't risk more than 4 to lose. Don't risk more than 1% per trade. Again, great. Now we're coming into US oil and US oil only. We have a range. What do you do then? Depends. Where does it break out? Higher or lower? I would say higher because of April. But technically I would probably think lower. So it's a big range at the moment. Stand by, stand clear, and be ready. Because I think we're gonna go higher. So if price comes down to 59, yeah, maybe. I would rather break the high, come back to support, and then continuation throughout April rather than fighting it now. So maybe in a couple of days it would be a better price and better setup. The mother of all mothers, gold. Oh, there it is. I want this to break higher. It is currently in a range. Currently, it's a range, and currently there is no market. Okay, no market at all. No market. No market. So what do? You wait for it to go higher, for it to come back, so you can take it higher. That's what you do. Until then, there's a ton better options on USD and yen than gold at the moment. But just give it a couple of days. Just give it some time. It will come. It will come. I know. So I will be live tomorrow at 19:30 GMT+2. Thank you guys for being all the way until the end. I love you guys. Thank you, family, and have a great day.